her body with a car and threw her body into the water. Hundreds of women today demanding justice. Police officers have also been suspended for allegedly doing nothing to stop that attack.